Okay, so maybe we can try on Autodoc. So after you open the Autodoc, basically you can see the Autodoc tools over here. So they can either register or remind me later. So you already open up your Autodoc. So what we do is that download your file otr.pdb and change a.pdb as well. So over here we go to the grid. Okay, so basically you have your grid, ligands, docking as well. So now we try to convert the PDB, the raw data, into something that your Autodoc can read it. So press on ligands first, then we open, go to your Autodoc, the one that you already download the raw data of your PDB. So we start with the OTR. So click OK. So then you can go back to the ligands, Trojan tree, detect the roots, right, you get it. So once you get it, then you can save the output, PDBQT, back to your Autodoc. Okay, so you have it ready. Now in your folder you have PDBQT. Go back over here. Now we go to your grid. Now we working on your macromolecule. So you open, go back to Autodoc, file, change it, open. Now you get your macromolecule from your change A. Okay, so you have to save the file. Save it. So basically now you have these 4 files whereby you can allow your Autodoc to read it. So now you go back to your grid, set map. So now over here you can choose the ligands. So you have your OTR, select the ligands. So then you will define your grid size. So pick center on the ligands. You see the box over here. Then save current, close it ready. And then we go to the grid, go to the outputs, you save your GPF. So here you save it as your change a.gpf. Save it. So now you have your change a GPF over here. So now you can try to work on your docking. So on your GPF you can use your Notepad or your Notepad++. So for example, I'm using the Notepad++. Try to find out this number 6 receptor, change A. Right click, go to your properties, locations. Then you have your slash over here. Then you can save it. You can close it. So once you're done, now you have to click run. Now remember you pick the run auto grid. Okay. So second browser. Then go to your this PC system times 66. Then we go to the script research institute Autodoc 4.2.6. Then auto grid, open. Then we look for your GPF, Autodoc GPF. So basically now you have your GLG, so you can press launch. Okay, so now we are preparing your docking for your macromolecule. So you can set the rigid file name, select your Autodoc, go back to your change a.pdbqt, click open, and then in this widget again, so you can click docking. So you go to ligands and then you can choose your ligands. So basically it appear OTR over here, select your ligands. So without changing anything, you can just click accept. Okay, so now we're moving on to the next step, clicking on the docking, and then you have to search the parameter. Okay, so we pick generate algorithm. So over here we set up for 20, accept, and then you go to your, we need to save our DPF file, so we have to go to the docking, output, and then we save it and the Lamarckian's GA. Go back to your Autodoc. Okay, so now you can save it as change a dot DPF. Click save. Okay, so now you have your DPF file over here. Right click, edit in Notepad. Okay, so you look at this change A basically. So you have to be careful not to copy at the other places. Okay, so you look at your OTR over here. So what we do is that same thing, right click, properties, copy. So you must be careful over here because some of the students, they put it in the elect maps, dissolve map, so then they will get other kind of like dot map. I mean, like some of the students, they mentioned that they get the dot map file is because of their adding into this location. So make sure you're picking up the move otr.pdbqt. Okay, so again we paste it, slash, then we can save it, close it, then you can start to run it as well. Now we are moving to the run Autodoc. So same thing, open the browse, PC C26, we go to the script research Autodoc. Okay, so we have your DPF, the one that you already introduced over here. So now you have your DPF and DLG as well. So over here they written nice level 20, so you can launch it. So you need to wait for a while it looking for the receptor and the ligand as well, the compatibilities. So you can look at this current file, the LG is 0, the size, because they are uploading the data for the DLG. It will take some time to analyze. Okay, so now you can see your DLG file from 0 now up to 84 KB. So you can click on this DLG file and then you can look at it. So just now we set up to 20, so you can see this is the result. So the binding energy as well. So basically you can get like the negative, the one that closest to negative, it's mean they're having a higher binding. Or you can even like play around with this analyze, and then you can click on the docking, make sure you click open, go back to your change ADLG. So now you can play. So over here you can just click it this way, you can see it's over here, right? So you can play around as well. So if you enlarge, so then you can even click analyze and then confirmations, and then you can click play as well. So then you can look at the binding. So that's it. Good luck and all the best.